Traditional learning versus online learning. Education is an essential aspect of human life, and with the rise of technology, we have been presented with various options for learning. Two popular modes of learning are traditional learning and online learning. Traditional learning refers to the conventional method of learning in a physical classroom setting, while online learning involves the use of digital platforms to deliver educational content. In this essay, we will analyze the differences between traditional learning and online learning. Traditional learning is the most common method of learning. It involves a teacher delivering lectures in a classroom setting, with students taking notes and asking questions to clarify their understanding. In this mode of learning, students have physical interactions with their teachers and peers, which provide an opportunity for personal connections and communication. Traditional learning also provides a structured approach to learning, with students having a fixed timetable and a set curriculum to follow. Online learning, on the other hand, is a relatively new mode of learning that has gained popularity in recent years. It involves students accessing educational content through digital platforms such as online courses, webinars, and video conferencing. Online learning offers flexibility, as students can access educational content from anywhere at any time. This mode of learning also offers a self-paced approach, with students being able to set their own schedule and learn at their own pace. There are several differences between traditional learning and online learning. Firstly, traditional learning provides students with a structured approach to learning, with a set timetable and a fixed curriculum. Online learning, on the other hand, offers a self-paced approach, with students having the flexibility to set their own schedules and learn at their own pace. Secondly, traditional learning provides students with personal interactions with their teachers and peers, which can facilitate better communication and understanding. In contrast, online learning lacks the personal touch of traditional learning, as students and teachers do not have physical interactions. Finally, traditional learning provides students with a better opportunity for hands-on learning experiences, such as laboratory work and group projects. Online learning, however, does not offer the same level of hands-on learning experiences, as most of the learning is done through digital platforms. In conclusion, both traditional learning and online learning have their advantages and disadvantages, and the choice of mode of learning depends on individual preferences and circumstances. Traditional learning offers personal interactions with teachers and peers, a structured approach to learning, and hands-on learning experiences. Online learning, on the other hand, offers flexibility, a self-paced approach, and the ability to learn from anywhere at any time. Ultimately, the choice between traditional learning and online learning should be based on the student's personal circumstances and preferences.